Akash, come here and help me with filling the mini swimming pool.
Yeah, sure.
This pool has a capacity of 20 liters and we need to fill up to 5/7 of it. Our bucket has a capacity of half liter. So I guess this will take some time.
How many buckets do you think it will take to fill the tub up to the required level?
Well, we can get that by dividing the required water level and the water capacity of the bucket. But they are both fractions. How do we divide fractions?
Let's ask Chitti.
Division of fractions is an important concept and can be used in many real-life situations. So listen carefully as this can be useful in your life. In this session, we will learn about multiplicative inverse, dividing a fraction by a whole number, dividing a fraction by another fraction, and division involving mixed fractions. Before we learn about division of fractions, it is necessary that we know about multiplicative inverse. Two numbers are the multiplicative inverse of each other when their product is 1. For example, multiplicative inverse of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4, as the product of 4 by 5 and 5 by 4 is 1. Similarly, the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 7 is 7 by 2, as the product is 1. Multiplicative inverse of a fraction can be found by replacing its numerator by its denominator and replacing denominator by its numerator. In the example given, 4 by 3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4. Consider an apple which has been divided into 2 pieces. Now, one piece of this apple is to be divided among 4 monkeys equally. How much part of the whole apple will each monkey get?
Each monkey will get half divided by 4 of the apple pieces.
Yes, but what is the answer numerically?
The answer can be found by dividing the half piece of an apple into 4 equal pieces. Assuming that the other apple is also cut into 4 equal pieces, the total number of pieces are now 8.
Yes!
Now, each piece of apple is now 1/8 of the apple. The 1/2 of the apple which is to be distributed consists of 4 pieces of 1/8 of an apple which is distributed to the monkeys. Hence, each monkey gets 1/8 of an apple.
Great! This was simple!
Not so fast. This was a problem involving small numbers. When the numbers are relatively large, this method takes some time. For example, dividing 2 by 5th of a cake among 25 children. Hence, the mathematical method of dividing fractions with a whole number is as follows. Consider the above example wherein we divide 2 by 5 with 25. First, we write the whole number as a fraction, that is 25 as 25 by 1. Then, the multiplicative inverse of the whole number is found. In this case, multiplicative inverse of 25 by 1 is 1 by 25. Now, dividing the fraction 2 by 5 by 25 is same as multiplying 2 by 5 with the multiplicative inverse of 25 by 1, that is 1 by 25. Now, the product of 2 by 5 and 1 by 25 is 2 by 125.
This method was pretty simple.
Let's practice with some more problems. what is 3 by 4 divided by 12?
The multiplicative inverse of 12 is 1 by 12. Therefore, 3 by 4 divided by 12 is 3 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 12, which is 3 by 48. On simplification, we get 1 by 16.
Good. Now, what is 4 by 7 divided by 13?
The multiplication of inverse of 13 is 1 by 13. Therefore, 4 by 7 divided by 13 is same as 4 by 7 multiplied by 1 by 13, which is equal to 4 by 91. But Chitti, what do we do when the division is between two fractions?
Suppose we need to divide 2 by 5 with 6 by 7. We first find the multiplicative inverse of the divisor. In this case, the divisor is 6 by 7, and hence the multiplicative inverse of 6 by 7 is 7 by 6. Now multiply 2 by 5 with 7 by 6 to get the solution. Therefore, 2 by 5 divided by 6 by 7 is equal to 2 by 5 multiplied by 7 by 6, which is equal to 14 by 30. On simplification, we get 7 by 15. Here are some other examples on division between two fractions. What is 3 by 5 divided by 7 by 8?
The multiplicative inverse of 7 over 8 is 8 by 7. Therefore, 3 by 5 divided by 7 by 8 is equal to 3 by 5 multiplied by 8 by 7, which is equal to 24 by 35.
That's the right answer, Akshita. Now, what is 4 by 7 divided by 13 by 15?
The multiplicative inverse of 13 by 15 is 15 by 13. Therefore, 4 by 7 divided by 13 by 15 is equal to 4 by 7 multiplied by 15 by 13, which is equal to 60 by 91.
Now, how do we divide when a mixed fraction is involved? For example, consider the division of 4 by 7 by 3 by 4. Division involving mixed fractions can be done by converting them into improper fractions and then dividing them. Here, 4 by 7 is equal to 32 by 7 and 3 by 4 is equal to 15 by 4. Hence, division of 4 by 7 by 3 by 4 becomes the division of 32 by 7 by 15 by 4 is equal to 32 by 7 multiplied by 4 by 15, which gives us 128 by 105. Consider that you have a rope whose length is 2 by 3 meters and you are required to cut the rope in half. What is the length of each half?
The answer to this solution can be found by dividing 2 by 3 with 2.
For this, we first have to find the multiplicative inverse of 2. Multiplicative inverse of 2 is 1 by 2.
Multiplying 2 by 3 with 1 by 2, we get 1 by 3.
Hence, the length of each half of the rope is 1 by 3 meter.
In this session, we learnt about multiplicative inverse, dividing a fraction by a whole number, dividing a fraction by another fraction, division involving mixed fractions. Now that you have learnt about division of fractions, let us calculate how many buckets are required to fill the tub.
Yes, the required water level is 5 by 7 of 20 liters. That is equal to 100 by 7 liters.
The water capacity of each bucket is half liter.
Dividing 100 by 7 with 1 by 2, we get 200 by 7 buckets, which means approximately 29 buckets.
Great job!
Today's class was very useful and interesting. Thank you, Chitti.
You're welcome. See you in the next class then.